Hi there! Today we are going to learn something very useful in Spanish. We are going to learn how to structure basic sentence in the simple present tense of the indicative mood. So let's get started. Okay, so we are already here on my desk. Here we have some subject pronouns and some verbs. For example, yo, which means I, tú, which means you, informal, él, which means he, ella, which means she, usted, which means you, formal. In Spanish, we have two ways to say you. We could say it formal or informally. We use tú when we want to refer to the person informally, and we use usted when we want to be formal. Nosotros, nosotras, which means we, this is masculine, or if the group is mixed, masculine and feminine. And nosotras is only female, only women, only person that are feminine. Here we have vosotros and vosotras, which means you are or you guys informally. This subject pronouns is only used in Spain. So if you're not thinking on traveling to Spain, this is not necessary. You don't need to learn this subject pronoun. Ellos and ellas mean they. The same thing. If we are referring to a group of people, so more than one person we are talking about, and those people are masculine, we would say ellos, or if they are mixed, masculine and feminine. However, if the group is only women, and now my sentence is perfect. If you have any doubt about this, any question, you can write it in the comment section, okay? And I will reply as soon as possible.